What are you doing here?
Please, this memory isn't real. Your uncle's house, I don't think it's really like this.
Okay, better eat up, kiddo. We got a big day.
Grace, get down!
I don't see the portal anywhere.
Barry, it's working!
Death, failure, another broken family. This is the legacy I gave you.
Nobody breaks up my family, you son of a bitch. Oh, no. You dropped your toy.
I just wanted to see the museum.
I know, honey, but you ran away. I didn't know where you went. I was afraid you could have gotten hurt.
You said that the museum reminded you of Dad, because Dad was the Flash's #1 fan. So I wanted to see it, because I love the Flash too. It's not fair.
I know, honey. I know it's not fair. I love you, Nora. Your dad loved you too. So much. Give me that.
Come on. We gotta go. Let's go get Nora.
Grace, I know you're afraid. You think that you'll never be as happy as you were that day with your uncle. That's why you try to remember it as perfect. But things can be that good, Grace. You just have to wake up. And then you and me and my parents, we can all help your uncle together.
You're a liar. Maybe you don't have anyone who cares about you, but I have someone who cares about me. And I'm the only one who can help him.
She's not coming.
What?
Hurry.
Come on. Come on.